My health-conscious friends. Do you suffer from feeling like you need to pee every 5 minutes, and when you finally do, it feels like you're peeing razor blades? Yeah, I'm talking about UTIs, or urinary tract infections. They're a real pain in the you-know-what. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to give you 5 practical tips for treating UTIs at home, using nothing but ingredients you can find in your kitchen pantry. By the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Drink cranberry juice like it's going out of style. First up, we have the old faithful, cranberry juice. This stuff is like kryptonite to UTIs. The reason? Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your bladder and urinary tract. Plus, it's super hydrating, so you'll be flushing out those bad bacteria like a champ. But here's the thing, you can't just drink any old cranberry juice. You need to make sure it's 100% pure cranberry juice, with no added sugar or other juices. And if you really can't stand the taste, you can always go for cranberry capsules or supplements instead. Tip number 2. Load up on vitamin C. Next up, we have vitamin C. You might know it as the stuff that keeps scurvy at bay, but it's also a powerhouse when it comes to fighting off UTIs. Vitamin C makes your urine more acidic, which creates an environment that's less hospitable to the bacteria that cause UTIs. So how do you get more vitamin C in your life? Easy. Load up on citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, as well as other fruits like kiwis and strawberries. You can also take vitamin C supplements, but be careful not to overdo it, as too much can cause stomach upset. Tip number 3. Spice up your life with garlic. Garlic might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of UTI remedies, but hear me out. Garlic contains compounds called allicin and alain, which have antibacterial properties. In other words, they can help kill off the bad bacteria in your urinary tract. But here's the catch. You have to eat the garlic raw. Cooking it destroys the allicin and alain, so you won't get the full benefits. If you're feeling brave, try crushing up a clove of garlic and swallowing it with some water. If that's too intense, you can always chop it up finely and mix it with some honey to make it more palatable. Tip number 4. Sip on some green tea. Green tea is another one of those superfoods that seems to have endless health benefits. And when it comes to UTIs, it's no different. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which have been shown to have antibacterial properties. Plus, it's a natural diuretic, so it'll help you flush out all that bad bacteria. But again, you have to make sure you're drinking the right kind of green tea. Opt for high-quality, loose-leaf tea rather than pre-bagged tea, which can be lower quality and contain less of the good stuff. And if you're not a fan of the taste, try adding some honey or lemon to sweeten it up. Tip number 5. Take a dip in a warm bath. Last but not least, we have the most luxurious of all the UTI remedies, a warm bath. Not only is a warm bath relaxing and soothing, but it can also help ease the pain and discomfort of a UTI. The warm water helps to increase blood flow to the area, which can reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. But here's the thing, you don't want to add any bubbles or bath salts to your bath. These products can irritate your urinary tract and make your symptoms worse. Stick to plain old water, and maybe add a few drops of lavender essential oil for some extra relaxation. So there you have it, folks. 5 practical tips for treating UTIs at home, using nothing but ingredients you can find in your kitchen pantry. Now, I'm not saying that these remedies are a substitute for proper medical care. If you're experiencing severe pain, fever, or other symptoms, you should definitely see a doctor. But for those mild to moderate cases, these remedies might just do the trick. And as always, prevention is key. Make sure you're staying hydrated and don't hold your urge to urinate to reduce your risk of getting a UTI in the first place. And if you do end up getting one, don't despair. With a little help from Mother Nature, you'll be feeling better in no time. So go forth and conquer those UTIs, my friends. Your bladder and your sanity will thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And even after what you've learned, but still can't get it? No problem, because this video here has everything you need. Check it out now and crack that code and get all the information you need.